Assalamualaikum. Saya Muhammad Peralatan. Saya adalah daripada kumpulan SMK TASIK 1, ahli yang pertama.
Hai, nama saya Nur Aina Sabrina. Saya ahli yang kedua.
Hai, saya Kristina. Saya ahli ketiga.
Hai, nama saya Megat. Saya ahli nombor 4.
Hi, today we would like to introduce about our product. Our product problem statement is a dirty drain and clogged with garbage. Our idea suggestions of products that we name it as a filter garbage hauler.
Our team have agreed to make the product that can solve the problem. We call it filter garbage hauler. So this is our product that I will tell detailedly about it. Our product will look like a scissors that have a handle and a container. We call it trap container. If you look at the container, we will see the holes. The function of the hole is to trap the trash and let the water flowing away. If you look inside of the container, we will see the layers of wires. It functions to trap small trash like pieces of plastic. That's why we call it filters. We believe our product will be more effective than a normal product that already sell at the store.
Here are the list of the materials needed to construct a single filtered garbage collector. First, you will need one set of nails from Mr. DIY, a spring, two PVC pipe, aluminium wire, recycled detergent bottle, one plastic bottle, 3 sheets of paper, and 2 plastic handles from recycled toys. This product was specially designed to clean the garbage found in the drain, meanwhile reduces the risk of clogged drains. It will also filter and separate the waste materials from drain water. This product is very easy to use and suitable for all ages.